Hello, Anita. This is Jay Johnson here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to first thank you for inquiring your 2015 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. Now, we're all out of the 2015s, but we do have some of the 2016s left. And this is that beautiful blue color you inquired on. Now, you actually specify you wanted, leather, sunroof. I can actually get you both of those things in a limited tech or actually a value package and actually add leather to it. But either one will be your choice. Actually, both will have the sunroof and everything that you're looking for. But whichever one you choose, you're going to get the America's Best warranty with it. Now, that's a 5-year or 60,000 miles new car warranty. That's a 5-year or unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty, a 10-year 100,000 miles powertrain warranty. We actually double that powertrain warranty here at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles. That's, again, no extra cost to you, and that's on any Elantra that you choose. So give me a call. We'd love to get you in today, get you a quick test drive and see exactly which package you're going to go with. 205-380-6250. Again, Jay Johnson Tameron, 380-6250. Talk to you soon, Mr. Tucker. Thank you.